Hello Munchkins, what is up? I hope everyone's doing awesome. Welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Himadri and I do post makeup and fashion related content on my channel. If this is something that you enjoy watching, make sure to subscribe to my channel. With that, press the bell icon so you are notified whenever I have a new video up. For today's post notification shout out, make sure to watch the video till the end. So, recently, I visited the hair salon to get a good hair spa, and then I got to know from my hairstylist that my hair was looking extremely dull, dry and damaged. He also told me the reason behind why my hair was looking so dull. It was because of overheat styling that I have been doing lately, and also another reason that can cause dull looking hair, it's weather change. If you don't know already, I live in Dehradun and the temperature here it's so cold. So it is very hot during the day and it is extremely cold during the night, and because of the drastic temperature change, my hair wasn't looking healthy. So he suggested me to switch out my hair care products and try out the Loreal Professional Serie Expert Absolute Repair range, and then I got the Absolute Repair shampoo, hair mask and serum. The entire range is made of gold quinoa and wheat protein, which will help in repair dry, damaged hair, which is exactly what my hair needs. I am personally very excited to try out the L'Oreal Professional Absolute Repair Mask. I have been using hair conditioners for the longest, and now I think I need something more powerful to repair my hair for all the damage I have been doing to my hair. Now let's go try out these products and see how it performs. First step, to wash my hair, I used the Absolute Repair shampoo. It is very lightweight, it lathers really nicely and it makes my hair feel fresh instantly. Next, I will be using the mask. The texture is very creamy and buttery and it smells divine. It instantly nourishes and conditions your hair. So to apply this, first I will section my hair. Make sure to apply this hair mask only on damp hair. Don't take too much because it is a potent formula and will spread through your hair very easily. Apply the mask from mid-length to the ends and keep it for about 3 to 5 minutes and let it do its magic. This is how my hair looks like after I've washed it. My hair feels so soft and it smells amazing. To finish off, I'll be using the Absolute Repair Serum all over my hair. After using the hair serum, I air dried my hair and I just cannot stop touching my hair now. It feels so soft, so nice. I haven't used anything, it's just these products, and you can see my hair looks so healthy and it has a beautiful shine to it. Now I totally understand why my hairdresser says why to condition when you can use a mask. I absolutely loved the mask and I will be definitely adding this to my hair care routine. If you guys are wondering how much these products retail for, so the shampoo retails for 665 rupees and you get 300 ml of product. The hair mask retails for 820 rupees and you get 250 grams of product, and the serum retails for 590 rupees and you get 50 ml of product. The entire range is approved from my end. I loved the entire experience. They work really well and I love what they did to my hair. They will definitely be a part of my hair care routine. This range is perfect for people who have very dull and damaged hair. It will resurface your hair and leaving your hair feel very nice, healthy and nourished. I will leave the links to these products in the description box below, so make sure to check them out. And that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video and found it helpful. Also, today's post notification shout out goes to Babita Agarwal. Thank you so much for leaving such a sweet comment. If you enjoyed watching today's video, give it a big thumbs up. Share this video with the friends and family. Subscribe to my channel and also make sure to follow me on Instagram if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.